New MacBook Air with the M1 chip. It comes in this box that contains this box. Take it out like this, open it up and get the MacBook Air, USB-C cable, manual, and charger. Let's review this hype laptop. You don't need to watch the whole video. I'll give you the conclusion now. The base model MacBook Air at $1,000, $900 for students, outperforms my almost $5,000 loaded 16-inch MacBook Pro and does it without any fan noise. So open a browser window, type apple.com, make the purchase and improve your life. See what I'm talking about. But if you're not convinced yet, stick around for a few more details. The external hardware is identical to previous MacBook Airs. The finish, the ports, the shape. The huge difference, of course, is the new Apple-made M1 silicone chip. Chew on these performance scores comparing it to previous MacBook Pros and a loaded PC laptop. This base model spanked them all. Graphics are a different story, but still impressively decent. I played a game, edited in Photoshop, Lightroom, tried Premiere, worked on a presentation, played another game, played some music, navigated on maps, all ran great. Oh, and I was running them all at the same time. That's on 8 gigs of RAM. Here's what you need to know. M1 chip, it's not Intel. Obviously, all apps till now have been optimized for Intel, and now they need to be optimized for M1, and a lot of apps aren't because this just launched, but they still run fine. Half the apps I just mentioned aren't optimized and ran with no major issues, so they'll run even better when they are eventually optimized. If you need Windows, pump the brakes. Boot Camp, no longer an option. Parallels or VMware, they're coming but can't do it yet, but you can do remote desktop if you really can't live without the start button. Apple's flexing the new Instant On feature, which solves a pain point for exactly nobody. Speaker, loud but a little tinny. Webcam works okay, not the best. Microphone, not great, but not bad. Battery life is 10 to 12 legit working hours of video calls, office apps, music streaming. I literally don't need to take a charger with me when I head out. Look, it's always been either more power or great battery life. Why does this have both? And it's in that MacBook Air chassis that's ultra portable. It's an instant favorite. I'll end this with the only comparison that comes to mind with what my expectations were of the new MacBook Air and my actual experience.
Series 4 deatomizer.
That's what I'm talking about.
Noisy cricket.
Hey, Kay, no, come on, man.
Get out!